could be.
What is going on, guys? Envision Tutorials, and in this one today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your internet on your DNS server. So before we get into this one, I want you to smash that like button and hit the notification bell so you can be informed for all future videos. But what you want to do is hit System Preferences, go down to Network, hit Wi-Fi, hit Advanced Settings, or Advanced ... and go to DNS, and go to plus on the IPv4 and IPv6, and you're going to want to hit 1.1.1.1, so 4 ones and 4 periods. Then the second, you're going to want to do 1.0.01. And what that is going to do is clear up your servers from any like cookies or anything like that. It's just going to help your Wi-Fi run a lot more smoother, or smoothly, however you want to pronounce it. And we're going to do an example. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.